What's going on, guys? Yash here, back again with another video for you guys. Hope everyone's weekend is going well. I'm currently back at my apartment in New York City, so with that being said, I hope everyone is absolutely having a great weekend. I hope everyone is absolutely killing Q4 as well. So what this video is basically going to be talking about is how to write an effective and efficient ad copy. Right now, despite your guys' product being good and your product page being good, it's very important to actually work on the front end and actually have a high converting ad copy that's going to be bringing sales to you guys, right? Because that's the main thing. The ad is the main thing that's going to be, again, driving traffic to your guys' website, allowing people and getting people to actually click on the link. Okay, so today I have a few examples for you guys. One of them is actually from my own stores that I had running earlier this Q4, which is an iPhone store relating to iPhone cases, because the new iPhone 11 did actually drop, and I made another video about like a month or two ago on the YouTube channel for you guys to actually start selling the iPhone case. So I hope you guys made some money selling that iPhone case, right? So that's one of the first examples. That's one of the second examples, and the first example will be a client and I working together and how we basically wrote his ad copy, right? So let's dive right into it, because this is definitely a strength that you guys need to have in your guys' e-commerce business to bring the right number of quality traffic to your guys' stores and, get as many people to view your website, okay? So I'm going to minimize myself over here, put myself right here. So first things first, guys, there's basically 2 to 3 types of ad creatives you guys can have. You guys can have a video ad, which is more than recommended, a carousel ad or a single image ad. Usually carousel or video is what most people tend to do. I do prefer having a video ad because not a lot of products are self-explanatory. Okay, so it's important to actually have a video ad that is HD, that is actually trusted, branded. It either has your watermark or your logo on it, or it has some kind of captions or some kind of background music or voiceover. And also human perception is very important too, right? The people buy with emotion. So actually having someone display or showcase or use the product is very important if you guys are using a video, and even in pictures, right? Someone actually showcasing and using the product just kind of helps build a little bit more trust when people are viewing the actual product. So in this case, this was one of my clients' ads that actually helped him write. He was using a video. I'm not going to show you what kind of video and what it was, just for privacy reasons. But basically, be sure to have those following vital points to have in mind when you're actually creating a video. And I usually like to keep it under a minute. Okay. So again, he was using a video. Just to give you some context of the actual product, it was basically a bite helper, meaning, let's say if you get a mosquito bite, if you applied this device, your mosquito bite would, it would either go away, or it would just basically neutralize it or stop the itching, okay? Make the bump go down. So that's the context of the actual product. So you actually want to think in the consumer's mind. You actually want to speak to your guys' customers, speak to the customers, okay? So if you guys realize, the first line is more like a hook. It's kind of calling out certain people, right? And notice how the first letter of each word is also capitalized, okay? Because this is attention getting. So are mosquitoes bugging you this summer? Okay, this was a product that we started testing in August. I just hid the date and name and store name, just for, again, privacy reasons. And then the second blurb is basically, it's a break. It's a second blurb that basically tells why people should invest into the product, or what it basically does, right? Its main job. Again, people are going to buy a type of product like this because of the features and benefits, right? And how the product can really help them, right? People focus on the end result, which is very, very important. That's how you guys should also structure your product page, okay? If it's some kind of product as such. So it says our bite helper. Notice how it says our, okay, not the bite helper. Is designed to work on neutralizing itch and irritation caused by insect stings and bites from mosquitoes, flies, bees, wasps, and ants. Okay, this is also a widely approachable product because who doesn't get mosquito bites? Okay, and then the third third blurb is like the feature of the product. So it uses thermal pulse technology that delivers heat and vibration to the affected area, increasing localized blood flow. So it kind of educates the person about the product, highlights the features and benefits. And then again, it's kind of tying it up with the feature, okay? A lot of people, put like links and stuff here in the main heading, which is fine. You can always add a break and have like get yours here with a link. Do not use a bit.ly link, by the way, okay? It does lower your ad traffic quality. So I didn't, because I don't like to have my headline too long. Usually this was already a little bit long, so I didn't put the link here. But you can always use like a link or have like a hashtag or something like that, okay? Like your motto of your store or something like that. So notice how it's very congruent. Notice how it's very neat. It's very professional. There's not a lot of emojis. There's 1, 2, 3 emojis that actually relate to what it's saying and that are actually relevant. It still looks very clean and very professional. That's how your guys' ad copy should be coming down, like a branding feel, right? And here on the bottom in the description and the sub description, you can have a bunch of things. I also like to have reviews sometimes down here. I also like to have this week only, free shipping, or like exclusive fall sale only. You can, again, there's no right or wrong, but you can have something that your stores may be offering. You can have like, I don't know, available in 3 colors. I don't know, 25% off only this week, something like that. Okay, so that's what you guys can mess around and play around with. Again, the sub description and the description down here on the bottom. There's no right or wrong. Freestyle it. See what looks good. But it just kind of ties the whole value together, right? The whole deal together, basically down here. Some people also include like, oh, stop getting mosquito bites now, or stop suffering from mosquitoes bite now, or mosquito bites now. You can also have like a main heading over here that's more like a call to action almost, okay? So again, there's no right or wrong. I personally like to do this. It creates a little bit of trust and authenticity, but you guys can play around with that. In terms of the call to action, a lot of people do learn more. We actually tested it with this product because this product's not so self-explanatory like an iPhone case, which is what we're going to be going into later on. So learn more kind of builds curiosity, right? Obviously, you're driving them to the product page or the page that you're bringing the traffic to, but sometimes learn more works better as a call to action with certain types of products. But with this, we realized that the shop now call to action does way, way, way better. So, that's what you guys should be looking for in usually a video or even any other kind of ad creator or ad text. We're going to cover 2 more types, okay? So ignore this. One other thing you guys can do is, let me move myself right here. Again, this is my old store, you guys. So this is something that I actually created for myself. One other thing you can do is, again, this works for carousels, images, and videos, is you can have like a review ad text basically on the top, basically like someone else who bought the product. Again, people like human emotion, people like human perception, right? People trust human emotion, I would say. So again, we can't see the whole thing here, but let me try to, nope, Facebook is just being Facebook right now, okay? So what we have here is basically someone talking about the actual product, and they're not just saying like, hey, next gen iPhone case, good delivery, awesome, 10 out of 10, right? They're actually talking about the product. Again, you guys can make this up, or you guys can even get it from your actual reviews, okay? It says, absolutely love my new next-gen battery charging case from iPhone 11, super minimal, no bulk, and gives me something, something, something. And then it has like dash, I don't know, some random name, men or women, doesn't matter. And then you guys can also, underneath that, you guys can maybe include this 5-star review right underneath that testimonial. So have a break and then have some kind of review. Obviously, make sure that this matches with the review on your product page. Very important. Okay. On the bottom, again, shop now, because this is something that's very obvious. And then it says, again, protect and charge on the go, right? That's like a good feature. That's like a wow feature of the actual product. Then on the bottom, the sub description, it says fall sale, 1 emoji, free shipping, 2nd emoji, okay? So you see how it's very clean, it's very neat. There's not too many distractions going on. In the consumer's mindset, you're like, oh, wow, cool, next-gen iPhone case, awesome. This person absolutely loves it. She's giving a 5-star review. They watched the video. Protect and charge on the go. Oh, cool. And then fall sale, even better, and free shipping. Oh, I definitely got to check this out. Shop now. Okay? So that's how you guys should be thinking. Literally put your guys' selves in the customers or the consumers' shoes, basically. Okay? So those are the few ways I like to personally go about how I'm writing my ad text, and also how I'm structuring my ad creative as well. Again, guys, don't overcomplicate it. Don't overthink it. You guys should know your customers the best. Audience persona is very important, which is what I was saying before, actually speaking to your guys' customers. Okay, very, very very, very important. It's important to kind of hit certain emotional triggers, especially when you're dealing with products as such, okay, that can kind of really benefit them from a certain problem. Okay, this is more of a convenience product, so it uses kind of a little bit of a different approach in the actual ad text. For example, if I were to write like an informational ad text like this, I would maybe have something like, check out our new next-gen battery charging phone case, and then maybe I would have like a bunch of features that can work really, really well too. For example, features, and you have like bullet checkpoints. I personally don't like to use the green check marks that everyone uses. I like to use this one. I'll show you. It just looks a little bit more professional than the green one, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So as compared to this one, I like using this one basically. So that's something that you guys can have too, like actual features going down, right? Like, hey, check out our new iPhone 11 case, super durable and convenient features, blah, 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 blah. That's something that you guys can have also. And then on the bottom, again, you guys can have like your link or like your hashtag or something like that. So again, guys, there's no right or wrong way to go about an actual ad copy, but these are some of the thoughts that I want you guys to actually have in your guys' mind, right? One, focus on branding means focus on making it professional. And really, two, think about the order the customer will actually take in the information. Okay, you don't want just stuff scattered around everywhere. Make sure grammar, capitalization, you're using sufficient breaks, such as this. That's very, very important as well, because people don't want to buy from an ad copy or a store that looks untrustworthy or untrusted or scammy or anything like that, right? You want something that stands out, that looks professional, and you want to sound confident as a company. Okay, so I really, really hope this guys helps, because I know a lot of people have trouble with ad copy, how to kind of create it, how to kind of structure it. A lot of people don't have English as their first language, and that's fine as well. If you guys have any questions relating to ad copy or ad creative or ad tech, anything like that, drop it in the comments below. You guys know I always try to respond to as many comments as possible. Also, guys, follow me or join my Facebook group. It's in the description below, Ecom Masterminds. It's a free group of like-minded dropshippers and people who are into e-commerce and much more. I think we're up to almost 1,200 members now. If you guys need any help, I'm also offering one-on-one growth calls now, where you and we jump on a call either through Skype or Zoom, so that way we can see our screens. I can deliver that clarity to you guys. So the link for that will be also in the description. Go check out my last video, and guys, please like the video if you guys enjoyed, and if this guys give you some value. And also, guys, subscribe if you guys are new. I plan on uploading at least a few times a week for the rest of Q4, because again, I want to deliver the most value so you guys can actually implement all of that into action for your guys' online stores and absolutely kill it. So once again, guys, drop that like, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.